What's up everyone, it's Aaron from RUDYVISUALS, and in this video we are reviewing the RGB 660 Pro LED lights from Neewer. Now I've been using these for a week or so. We've got a couple of these to shoot some product footage, to film some YouTube videos like this. In fact, we're using one of these right now. They are really versatile lights that provide you with a lot of options because of the RGB, which gives you different color options. Now, admittedly, they aren't the brightest lights, so I wouldn't personally use them to light like a big scene, but they are great for lighting individual people, products, and small rooms. Basically anything on a smaller scale where you can have the light nice and close to your subject. Another thing I love about these lights is the app that makes everything super easy to control, which we will look at in more detail later on in this video. Now, before we continue, I'd just like to mention that Neewer did send us a couple of these for free to review, but as always, all thoughts and opinions are fully independent. But if any of you guys are watching, thank you so much. Now, we got these lights in a kit, which includes 2 of these RGB 660 Pro LED lights and 2 light stands. So the kit is priced at around £280 UK, but the lights can be bought individually for about £130 each, and the stands cost £20 each. So you do save a little bit when you purchase the whole kit. There are also some cheaper alternatives to these from Neewer, but they are less powerful. Now, anyone who's into photography and filmmaking, I think Neewer, they're quite well known for being like the cheap and cheerful brand, but actually I have to say the build quality for the price of these lights is quite surprising. So like the body is made of aluminium, which makes them feel very, very sturdy, but they're also not that heavy. And at the bottom, there is a very handy U bracket, which is used to mount the lights and makes it very easy to adjust the angle of the lights. They're also fairly compact in size and weight, and actually fairly thin as well, which makes them fairly decent for those of you who need to travel or want something that's smaller, that's just quick and easy to set up. So the lights come with these metal barn doors, which is very handy and gives you some more flexibility with being able to direct the light more. And it also comes with this diffuser as well, which is a bit clumsy to take it in and out of the light. The button that holds it in place is a bit wobbly, and the ridges on the side are very shallow, which makes it hard to slot the diffuser in. As the name suggests, the light comes with 660 LED lights in the panel, which includes 170 cold light beads, 170 warm light beads, and 320 RGB beads. The maximum power of this light is 50 watts, which gives, according to the Neewer website, 7,000 lux at half a meter and about 2,200 lux at 1 meter. So as I mentioned before, they're not the brightest lights, and they do best at lighting single subjects when you can place them fairly close to the lights. They would, however, be great for anyone who is like a YouTuber or content creator shooting like interviews, product videos, possibly for photography as well if you're using it as like a fill or a background light. But keep in mind the power limitations. Like I said earlier, it's not quite enough power and size to light like multiple people or like a really big large room. The lights have a color rendering index of 97 plus, which is out of 100, which is a way of measuring the color accuracy of a light. So for most people, this is going to be pretty accurate. It's going to be good enough color accuracy for most use cases. At the back of the light, there is an LCD screen and some adjustment knobs and a power button that allows you to control whether the light is powered via the provided DC power or with batteries. In this case, the light doesn't come with the batteries, but it is compatible with standard Sony batteries, as with most camera devices like the F550 batteries. There are 2 battery slots to give you more juice when you need it, but the light will still power on with just 1 battery attached. So this makes it perfect for those of you who often film on the go. You have this mobile lighting kit essentially, which makes it really good as a run and gun portable light. You can set the color temperatures from 3,200 kelvins to 5,600 kelvins, and it also supports HSI, so you can set it to any color, saturation, and intensity. And it has also some really cool built-in light effects such as a police car, candlelight, fireworks, etc., which gives you some nice options for like more creative lighting and videos as well. Now, for me, one of the best things about the light is the app that you can use to control everything wirelessly from your smartphone. The app features some great features and can be used to control the light from up to even 50 meters. And our favorite feature of the app is the ability to save your settings, which is great as you can easily switch between different HSI settings without the hassle of having to dial them back in each time. You can also put the lights in different groups so that if you have more than one, you can actually control them individually, which is awesome. So overall, I think as a budget LED light, the RGB 660 Pro, it kind of sits at the top of the upper budget range of lights. It features pretty good bang for your buck actually. The performance is very good for the price, has lots of cool features and lighting options, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg as well. While there are some cheaper alternatives out there, I think this would be a great job for any budding professional looking to save a bit of money while perhaps saving for something a bit more higher end. In the meantime, these will definitely do a great job while you're learning the ins and outs of lighting. So if you're interested in purchasing these or any other Neewer products, you can actually use our discount code, which is RUDYVISUALS, for a 15% discount on the Neewer website. There will be links in the description box below. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, then do me a huge favor, hit that like button. And if you're new here and want to see more, then more than welcome to hit that subscribe button as well. Follow us on socials. As always, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.